Hi friends, good evening. Today what story, mummy?
Today we are going to see a story about Innocent Tom. Ready to hear the story?
Yes,
Shall we start?
yes, we will start. Okay, done.
Okay. Tom is a very innocent boy who always obey elders. One day, Tom's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market and bring the money. Tom replied, "Okay, mummy, I will go to the market, sell the cow, and bring the money." Tom took the cow to sell it in the market and said bye to his mommy. "Mommy, bye, I'm leaving."
Ma.
Tom, after going some distance with his cow, he met a short man with funny cap. He asked Tom, "Where are you going with this cow?" Tom replied, "I am going to the market to sell the cow." The short man asked to sell his cow in exchange of his magic bean seeds. Tom agreed, okay, to give his cow and took the magic bean seeds to his home. Tom returned home and showed the magic bean seeds to his mommy. "Mummy, see, I have sold the cow and I got the magic seeds in return." Tom's mother got angry and threw the seeds out and shouted at Tom. He sat sadly outside the house. The magic bean thrown by his mother changed to something. Do you know what happened, Prajan?
Yes,
What happened?
I don't know, mummy.
Suddenly, those magic beans started growing from the ground to the sky level. Tom became curious to know where the bean tree ends. He climbed on the bean tree to find out where does it end. Come, we will see where will it end. Okay?
Okay.
The bean tree led Tom to reach the castle. Prajan, can you see the castle?
Yes, castle.
Now, Tom is going to enter into the castle. Tom saw through the window and find heap of gold coins. He breaks the window and took all the gold coins and climbed down slowly. Suddenly, a giant devil saw the Tom carrying his gold coins. He started shouting, "Stop! Stop!"
Stop.
Tom, on seeing the giant devil, immediately started climbing down fast. Tom friends Squirrel and Chick asked Tom to cut the bean tree with his axe. Tom climbed down fast and took an axe and cut the bean tree from roots. Bean tree falls down along with that giant devil. The giant devil died. Tom gave all the gold coins to his mummy. Tom mommy finally happy with that gold coins in exchange of the cow. Tom happily played with his chick climbing on a tree. Okay, Prajan?
Okay.
So, you understood the story?
Yes, understood.
Very good. Tom mom counts her gold coins every day happily. So, Prajan, what did we learn from the story? Make the best of a bad situation, and when opportunity knocks, take an advantage of it. Okay?
Okay. Okay, friends. Bye bye. If you like the story, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Bye. Good night to you.